Going to take some pictures going into the driveway. I can't even walk through that driveway because it's so deep. It'll go right through the boots. Matter of fact, water's going in my boots right now. It's about 3 inches deep. I'm in the center of the road, and it's pretty bad here, believe me. So there's one of my neighbors. He wants to get in this thing too, but our neighborhood is swamped with water here, and this is a common problem whenever we have a serious rain. Okay, West Melbourne, National Police Home Foundation, Oklahoma Street.